Hello students and welcome to Standard 9th Mathematics Digital class. Today we will solve practice set 3.5 question number 7. Now here the question is, use factor theorem to determine whether x plus 3 is a factor of x square plus 2x minus 3 or not. So let's begin with the solution. Now here the polynomial is given in x. So our p of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 3. And the divisor is equal to x plus 3. Now according to factor theorem, when we divide the dividend polynomial by divisor polynomial, if the remainder is 0, then the divisor polynomial will be the factor of the dividend polynomial. So we will find out the remainder here, and we know remainder is nothing but the value of the polynomial for x equals to negative 3. Okay, so we will find out p of negative 3. So p of negative 3 is equal to, so we will replace x by negative 3. Okay, so negative 3 square plus 2 multiplied by negative 3 then minus 3. So this is equal to negative 3 squared is 9, 2 multiplied by negative 3 is negative 6 minus 3. So this is equal to 9 minus negative 6, negative 3 is negative 9. This is equal to 9 minus 9 is 0. So here we got p of negative 3 equals to 0. That means here the remainder is 0, and therefore by factor theorem x plus 3 is a factor of the polynomial x square plus 2x minus 3. Okay. Now let's solve question number 8. Question is, if x minus 2 is a factor of x cube minus mx square plus 10x minus 20, then find the value of m. Now here in this the value of m is unknown, so we have to find the value of m. Okay, now let's begin with the solution. Now here x minus 2 is a factor of x cube minus mx square plus 10x minus 20. So therefore according to factor theorem, p of 2 is equal to 0. Now our polynomial is p of x equals to x cube minus 7x squared plus 10x minus 20. So we'll substitute x is equal to 2. So substitute x equals to 2 in the given polynomial. So we'll replace x by 2. So p of 2 equals to, here again we'll replace x by 2. So 2 cubed minus m into bracket 2 squared plus 10 multiplied by 2 minus 20. Now 2 cubed is 8 minus m multiplied by 2 squared is 4 plus 10 multiplied by 2 is 20 minus 20. So this is equal to 8 minus m multiplied by 4 is 4m. Now here plus 20 minus 20 we have. 20 minus 20 is 0. Okay. Now we are given P of 2 equals to 0 because x minus 2 is a factor. So therefore P of 2 is 0. So we will substitute here P of 2 equals to 0. Now this is a simple linear equation, right? And we can find out the value of m. So therefore 8 minus 4m equals to 0. So therefore 4m equals to 8, right? And then m equals to 8 upon 4. So 4 ones are, 4 twos are. So therefore m equals to 2. Okay. Now we will solve question number 9. Question is, by using factor theorem in the following examples, determine whether q of x is a factor of p of x or not. Let's begin with the solution. Here p of x is equal to x cubed minus x squared minus x minus 1, and divisor is equal to q of x, which is equal to x minus 1. Now we have to find out whether x minus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial x cubed minus x squared minus x minus 1 or not. Okay, so we will find p of 1. Let's see what it is. So p of 1 equals to 1 cubed minus 1 squared minus 1 and then minus 1. So this is equal to 1 cubed is 1 minus 1 squared is 1, then minus 1 minus 1. Here 1 minus 1 is 0, then minus 1 minus 1, which is equal to negative 2. Okay. Now as p of 1 is not equal to 0, therefore by factor theorem x minus 1 is not a factor of the polynomial x cubed minus x squared minus x minus 1. Okay.